Josh Whitman, CEO of Whitman Technological. A customer with several thousand loans emailed and asked if they could get a system added that would allow them to change the interest rate on thousands of specific loans all in one click. So they sponsored in a new change where you can paste in a list of account numbers and Moneylender will select all of those loans. And then a second tool that allows you to change the interest rate on all the selected loans to whatever interest rate you enter. When printing templates, especially when printing the 1098 tax returns, you need to print batches of 1098s for a specific lender to go with a single 1096 cover letter. So I also added a drop down that lets you choose a lender, and Moneylender will print only loans under that lender so that you can create batches of 1098s for your 1096 form. So we're going to watch as all this code gets built. It should be pretty interesting. On my previous coding time-lapse, I had a lot of feedback from friends that said it'd be really cool if you would tell us what you were doing while you were doing it. And I thought really hard about how I could convey what was actually happening in the video, but everything's really, really super abstract. When you're writing software, you're dealing with ones and zeros, logical operations, different like flow control trees, and to create a video that explained all that while the code was happening it wouldn't be fun to build the video. The video would not be fun to watch. And it's just not the kind of content I think anyone would enjoy. So that kind of brings me to the point of, why am I even making these videos? What's the purpose of them if it's not to educate you? Because I'm not trying to teach you anything. I think it's really fun to create. I think it's amazing to see something come into existence from nowhere. And my hope is that I can capture the essence of using technology to bring things into existence in much the same way that you might watch water freezing into ice crystals. We don't really have control or even a deep understanding of the individual crystal orientations that take place, but it's still really amazing to watch it happen. And my hope is that when you watch this video, you're like, oh, cool, look at this thing coming into existence. We don't really need to understand everything that's happening to appreciate that we're witnessing creation of one form or another. Hopefully you'll forgive me that I'm not explaining what code I'm writing and why I'm writing it, but I just don't feel like that would be a fun video for anyone. So, enough said. Let's get right into the code. Let's watch it happen. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. When I get 100 subscribers, I'll show you my top secret laboratory where I keep all my cool equipment. I'm Josh Whitman with Whitman Technological. I love science, and I hope you do too. I forget what the other one was.